I like to say that juicing has literally saved my life, and that if I wouldn't have taken the route that I took, when I took it, I would be in a much different situation right now and would be looking at a very different health situation from here forward. So I'm super grateful for juicing, and I've dedicated my life to helping people realize the same benefits that I've realized through juicing. So that's what we're doing tonight. So we're going to throw in some more pineapple. We're making an anti-inflammatory juice. Let's empty this first round. I juice the core and everything. So there's a lot of bromelain in that core and juice in that core. So we've got 2 apples and the rest of the pineapple, ginger and turmeric. And here we go. So far, this is the pulp from half the pineapple and half the apples. Very dry pulp that you can see here. So it does a great job of extracting an incredible amount of juice, which is fantastic. Tonight, we're actually juicing a couple of different recipes on the Nama J2 juicer. Right now, we're juicing an anti-inflammatory juice with pineapple, Cosmic Crisp, apples, ginger, and turmeric. It's a great recipe for joint pain, inflammation. I used to have incredible joint pain and inflammation. My hands, my wrists, my feet when I would wake up in the morning, my lower back, my hips would constantly give me problems. And it wasn't until I started flooding my body with these enzyme-rich, vitamin-rich, mineral-rich, phytonutrient-rich, antioxidant-rich, anti-inflammatory-rich juices, living raw juices, that my body finally got the opportunity to take care of the inflammation. Like, the body has infinite wisdom to take care of itself, but we have to support it. Juices don't really detox the body. The body detoxes itself. However, we must give it the support that it needs so that it can do that. So that's the value of juicing and raw living foods and why I love it so much. So when I started this health journey, I had not only aches and pains and joint issues, and my lower back would go out frequently and my hips hurt, but I also had high blood pressure. I had high cholesterol. I was pre-diabetic. I was 65 pounds heavier than I am today. At my heaviest before I started my journey, I was 225 pounds. Today I weigh between 155 and 160 pounds. Literally 65 pounds heavier on this 5'10" frame. Carrying that much weight was just such a burden to me. They say that in 1 pound of visceral fat, there's 1 mile of capillaries. And so the human heart has to actually pump that much harder to pump the blood through that extra mile per pound of fat. So it's just incredible when you start to eliminate some of this extra weight. The burden that you take off of your body to be able to function better is just incredible. And it wasn't really until I started flooding my body with juices and raw living foods and smoothies, all these things coupled with other lifestyle habits were the thing that really helped me turn my lifestyle around.